Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado Trail Boss: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability mode, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with the black bow tie in the center, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated seats, integrated trailer braking system, USB ports. Truck has the all black interior, dual glove boxes, and our heated cloth seats in the front of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss Silverado, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory all-terrain tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry on the front driver's door, Z71 badging. We do have the factory 2-inch lift up front on the Trail Boss, making room for those big wheel and tire setups. Beautiful wheels there, the brand new Goodyear Wrangler tires. 6.2 on the hood. Coming to the front, color matched front bumper and grille. LED daytime running lamps as well as fog lights, red tow hooks, Z71 badging. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows. Trail Boss is equipped with remote start. At the back of the big truck, we do have the dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and your backup camera. Jumping into the interior of the Trail Boss, we have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. Solid rear window with defrost and a solid roof over top, LED lighting and extra cutouts for headroom, USB ports there as well for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.